Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Instagram app. Now, once you're in here, you can go ahead over to the home section. And then go ahead and find the story or the owner of the story. Okay. For example, YouTube right here. I'm just going to tap on it. And once done, go ahead and find the specific story that you would like to share to your own profile. Let's say this one. Okay. So what we're going to do is just tap on at the bottom right, we have the paper plane icon or the send icon. So just go ahead and tap on it. As you can see here at the bottom left, you have add the story. Okay. So just go ahead and tap on add the story, wait for it, and then just go ahead and tap on your story right here. Okay, so just tap on it, wait a bit. Now you can go ahead and check your profile. All right, just go ahead and go back. As you can see here, your story, here we have it. It's currently posting. So let's just wait a bit. And here we have it. All right, that is how you repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.